All right, guys, this is the follow-up video. Trying to get the light right, but I can't seem to get it right because the garage is open in the back. Anyway, this is the follow-up to the catch can. You see the cover's back on now. There's a catch can that we installed, that Brian installed yesterday. I'm gonna open it up real quick. And shit's kind of hot, but I want you guys to see. This is my wife's truck. She drove it to work yesterday, probably 30 miles each way, so maybe 60 miles. And look, it's already some nasty shit down there, and it's smoking. Oh, because it's cold outside. You see the fumes coming out of it, but look at that. And it, you know, smells delicious. So this shit here, I guess the brilliant minds at Ford and most other companies just expect your engine to recycle this shit and somehow burn it, and you will burn probably some of it, but a lot of it is just gonna turn into varnish, and it's gonna be on your fucking valves and shit like that. So I probably should have done this a whole lot sooner. This truck has like 60 or 70,000 miles, I can't remember. 2016 Ford Edge Sport. And why would you want this shit cycling back through your system? I don't. So I'm not going to throw it out because I want to see how much I catch. So I'll do another follow-up. But this is just one day and just like maybe 60 miles. Tighten it snug right there. Probably do a little line right here just so I know. But that's it. That's what it looks like. Engine bay with the cover back on. The badass EcoBoost badge right there. And yeah, that's it, guys.